Nessa Sunshine here. Today we are getting into the Colourpop Frozen 2 on a bundle. I'm mainly using the palette from the bundle and the lip gloss. So if you want to see how I get this look right here, well, subscribe to my channel and let's get into the tutorial. Each bundle comes with a palette, a gloss, a lipstick, and a glitterly obsessed glitter. So it's so pretty. The first shadow I'll be getting into is Fearless, and I will be using the BH number 7 blending brush from the Fairy Lights collection. I'm going to take the tip of the brush, and I'm going to move in swiper motion, swipe, 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 back and forth in the center of the above crease area, moving into the inner corner, coming back into the center, and moving out to the outer corner as well. And what I'll do from there is take more of Fearless. I'm going to start to blend in long swiper motions, so all the way across, whoop, my eyebrow hair, all the way across the lid. I think I'm going to have to film another one for the Elsa bundle because I just want to do the Anna bundle today. So I'm just continuing to blend. I'm blending back and forth. Okay, I'm blending in swiper motions. I think I'm going to add a little bit more Fearless. Tap off the excess just to this outer corner with the very base of my blending brush. I'm going to start to use circular motions and blend down into the outer corner so that there's not a weird space right there. Okay, so now what I'll do is add Fearless to the other side. Once I added Fearless to this side, I added just a little bit more. I dipped into Fearless one more time and added it further into this outer corner. Mostly, I did sweep across the whole above the crease brow bone area a few times, but I focused it and centered it here, right in there, and I just used the base of my brush. So if you do want to add more, go ahead. If you don't, then let's go on to the next step. I'm taking Autumn Breeze in the outer corner and swiping motions in the crease and on the mobile lid. So we're creating a V, the outer V of the eye. And I'm just like taking it a little bit here and there. So I'm like boom, 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 boom. Mostly in this outer corner. Now I'm going to start to blend it up in swiping motion. I'm adding more of Autumn Breeze and I'm taking circular motions and moving outward with the very base of my blending brush. And I'm moving it outward to the outer edge of my brow to sort of blend it here. And now I'll take it like a pencil, tilting it toward my face and taking the edge of the brush and blending it like that. I will take the tip of my brush again over here, taking it in the crease a little bit, blending it on the edge right here in circular motions. As I've continued to blend, once I've blended till I feel satisfied, I'm going to add a little bit more of Autumn Breeze and blend in circular motions in the outer corner. Go ahead and add Autumn Breeze and more of Fearless in between, adding more of Autumn Breeze if you need to blend and diffuse. And then we will come back to the shimmer shades and it will be shimmer time. Now I'm going to get into the Shadow Adventure and I'm going to take my handy dandy finger and I'm just going to move it in a swiping motion that way. And then I will take my handy dandy 7 brush, the blending brush I used before, buff out the edge and buff out the top. So I first move with the edge and then the top. And then what I will do is have an adventure on the other eyelid. And then we'll get into the Golden Earth shade and then Arendelle, the glitter. Now I'll be getting into our next shimmer shade, the shade Earth. This beautiful golden shimmer, and I'll be using the BH number 9. It's a pencil brush basically, but it's the number 9 from the Fairy Brush collection. So I'm going to start by taking it into the inner quarter of my eye, if that makes sense. I'm swiping it out. I'm just swiping. I can't stop saying swiping. So swiping. This is swiping. I'm swiping. That's what I'm doing. So now I'm going to start to swipe it over the crease of my eye And I'm holding it now like a pencil in my hand. It is a pencil brush being used as a pencil, but on the eyes. This is from the Colourpop brush roll. It looks like this. A very thin and flat brush. And diffuse it further and bring it more onto the lid. And then I'll take my brush, my pencil brush, bring it over the lid a little bit, not too much, and blend it gently into the purple shade. So I'm taking more of earth onto my pencil brush and bringing it up and over the crease of my lid. I want earth to pop mostly right into this very inner part of the eye. So if you are following along, just take your time adding the shimmers. What I do when I apply shimmers, I go in like with Adventure. I use my fingers, so I just applied it. I use my fingers a few times until I feel that I see the shimmer that I want. And then if I'm going like into a second shimmer like I did today, and I use a pencil brush or a blending brush or some other kind of brush, what I would do is take that brush first with a dry shimmer, apply it, and then I would spray the shimmer later, and I continue to add the shimmer. And then whatever's left onto my pencil brush, then I start to blend very slightly. That's what I was doing here, by taking the very edge of this brush and moving it across where the yellow and the purple meet. So it's sort of blending it into each other. Just by holding my brush and using this very flat side of it and just brushing against it. Now it's time to get into Arendelle. I'm going to also be using the Colourpop E20 brush from their brush bundle set. It's a very thin and flat, tiny little brush that is perfect to apply glitter. And I'm going to start to go above the crease in the inner corner, and then I take it in the crease above the crease area, in the inner corner a little bit, not too much, and then I start to blend out. I'm taking more right over where we place the gold. That's kind of basically where I'm taking it, and then I want to spread it out and over. There we go. Okay, so we have just like a fairy glitter line. This was a really popular thing to do with glitter in, I think, 2017 on Instagram, to have like this little like firework of glitter or splash of glitter, wave of glitter, I don't know what to call it. I'm going to use the Yarzabeth lash from Lotus Lashes. This is one of my very favorite lashes over, I think, since 2016, 2015. I don't know how long I've been using this lash. Well, when it came out, maybe it was 2016. Oh, it's one of the prettiest lashes that I think have ever been invented. It's just so beautiful. So I'm going to pop these on. So you can apply glitter. You absolutely do not have to. You can apply lashes. You also absolutely do not have to apply lashes. So if you want to do either or both or not, if you're following along, we'll do a makeup miracle on our face, and that will almost complete the look. So a makeup miracle moment. And voila, we have a makeup miracle moment. So what I'm going to do is finish the lower lash line, and I'm going to go into the shade Warm Hugs with the BH Cosmetics number 5 brush from the Take Me Back to Brazil brush collection. From the outer corner into the center, I'm going to place Warm Hugs. And now I'll take the number 7 blending brush in Autumn Breeze. And I'll take Autumn Breeze to the outer corner to deepen it up. Just a little bit, just what was left on my blending brush. I'm not taking any more, just to give it even more of a depth. So for mascara, for my lower lashes, I'm going to use the new Maybelline Falsies mascara because it is so good. I love it. I'm obsessed. So I'll add that to my lower lashes. Next, I will tell you what lip I am wearing, which will be a lip from the bundle. For lips today, I will be wearing the Ultra Glossy Lip in the collection called Free Spirit. Thank you so much for watching this video using the Colourpop and Frozen 2 palette with the Anna palette. So pretty. This one's my favorite of the 2 palettes. I do love Elsa though, so I might just have to film another Elsa video as well with the Elsa palette and whatnot. Tell me which one's your favorite, Anna or Elsa, in regards to the palettes, the colors. I think the colors in this palette are so wearable, so pretty, so glam. I love that Disney and Colourpop collaborate. I love that they do collections together. So I don't know what will happen in the future, but this is exciting. Frozen 2, so exciting. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye now.